draw together.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. I will buy you a billy goat.
Wow, fantastic drawing! Let's make it even more awesome by adding some colors now. Orange, red, black, pink, pink, Have you finished coloring? Now it is time to make it more fun with more coloring. Let's start! Yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, mint, green. Which one do you like the most? Thank you for drawing along with me. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for